guys, another day, another farm work. So today the day started so early. I don't know if you can remember when I was doing the tour, I showed you this entire place was filled with maize, but today we are harvesting. So the first step, I hope that music is not loud enough to be heard on this video. The first step is to chop them and then heap them together like this. There's a batch there, there's another batch here, and then there's that, and then there's that. They are all over the place. So yeah, we've chopped. I couldn't record while we were chopping because it was so chaotic, and my mother is just very uncooperative when it comes to... Natasha is a very useful grandchild.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I could be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
So we have some in here. And then you doing? What are you doing? Mom, so what step are you at?
I'm removing the cobs from the stalk.
The cobs from the stalk?
Yeah. This is the new stalk.
Yes.
I'm removing the cobs.
Oh, okay. So that's what's happening. So we have this heap. The other heap is over there. So what happens to the ones that are still standing?
Some are still raw. We can roast at any time.
Let me show you. So here is the maize. Another this one is a yellow one, very sweet. Yeah. So I think I'll help my mom a little bit and I'll show you guys how it's done.
Ere kamera. Juu ama chini?
The other way.
So?
So this is it, guys. Mama, hold it straight, not combo. Like no, like this. You the other hand. It will be more comfortable. Just like that. So this is what we are doing. This process, I don't think it's as tedious as the groundnut process, right? You can just stop it. Some beautiful yellow fruit those are the ones that my mom
You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow